Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking in the Brown Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to do a seafood paella. So it's a kind of European dish and these days it's popular in everywhere now. So I'm going to show you how to do a seafood paella. So first of all, I'm going to introduce the ingredients and let's start with that. Half of onion and 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half of red capsicum, and I got a handful of green peas. I got 2 handful of marinara mix. I got the seafood mix, you can call seafood mix. I have 250 gram of rice, it's already cooked. It's handful of chicken strips, it's already cooked. And I got half of chorizo sausage and 2 tablespoons of Neapolitan sauce. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna cut a few stuff which I haven't cut. So I have red capsicum and the onion to cut. And get the white part out, and then you're gonna cut into the strips. Then you're gonna slice the onion. So my all ingredients ready to cook now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook the marinara mix with the onion and garlic, and let's see how we're gonna do it. Heat up the pan first. You're gonna put the olive oil into the heat up pan, and then you're gonna add onion and garlic. It for a while. When onion and garlic get light brown, you can add the marinara mix into it. And make sure you mix it and let it cook for a while. When it's halfway cooked, make sure you put the chorizo sausage. Cook it for a while. Otherwise, I need that crunchiness from the chorizo sausage. So you make sure add the salt and pepper too, according to your taste. If you add a little bit parsley once you cook so I just want a little bit flavor. It's up to you. It's optional. You don't have to put the parsley. Then I'm gonna add the cooked chicken strips. Now all meat is up here, it's cooking up. If you can't find a crab, it's up to you, it's optional too. You can add the crab, it's gonna give you a nice flavor, nice look as well when you garnish it up. And then you're gonna add the turmeric. Make sure you do not add the turmeric at the beginning, otherwise it's going to give you a different color. That color, it's going to be burning color. I like to have a really yellowish color. So therefore, you make sure add the turmeric a little bit later. So let this turmeric cook and release the flavor. And then you're going to add Neapolitan sauce. And mix it well. Then you're gonna add peas and capsicum. The color combination is perfect. Look at that. If you want to add some chicken stock or vegetable stock, this is the time. Add a little bit chicken stock with the water because I need that wetness before I put the rice. So that's how all the flavors suck into the rice. Oh my god, it's beautiful smell coming up. So when you add the rice, make sure if it needs to be warm. Then I'm gonna add some rice. And mix it well. Make sure you break all the rice which is stick together. Make sure you do the final taste, whether it's salt and pepper is enough. If enough according to you, so you are ready to serve it now. So I'm gonna plate up now. This is the seafood paella. That's how we do the seafood paella. You make sure you use the right ingredients and the right way of cooking as I show you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give a try and I'm gonna taste now and see how it is. Oh my god. Look, it's really nice. The seafood taste, oh my god, it's really nice. So it's really nice and I love the seafood. It's my kind of dish. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please do subscribe me, follow me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. Then I'm gonna see you with a different video and different dish. So till then, cheers guys, thanks, bye.